Hello everyone, welcome back to Luziro Media, your best place for smart tech tips and digital safety. Today we are talking about something very important, how to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp. Please listen carefully. If you have ever suspected that someone might be reading your chat or spying on your account, then stick around because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can find out. Before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and keep you updated with more tech tutorials from Luziro Media. Thank you. Alright, so let's dive into the main reason why we are making this video. What you have to do now, I don't want to waste much of your time because time is money. So now what you have to do is for you to look for your WhatsApp, then open it. Once you open your WhatsApp, if you have opened your WhatsApp, the next thing you have to do, look at the top right, you will see three dots. Click on the three dots. Then you will see where they wrote linked devices. You open it. Once you open it, you will see iOS. For instance, I'm making this, I linked these devices for me to teach you. This iOS is Apple phone, iPhone. I linked it yesterday. As you can see, any message that is entering on this phone now, the iOS, the iPhone will be receiving it as well. Then I also link Windows phone and laptop. I also link laptop to this phone. So any message that is coming to this phone is entering laptop as well. So if you want to remove it, what you have to do is for you to click on it. Once you click on it, you see this logout here. You click logout, it will be logged out. Same thing applies to the laptop, which is Windows. Once you click on it, you will see logout. Then you click on logout, it will be logged out. You understand? So once you have seen all these things, you don't have to worry yourself. You can just remove it and the person cannot add it again unless if the person access your phone. That will be when he can be able to link it again. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Starting from today, I will be teaching you guys what you need to know. I'll be teaching you guys tech and many other things. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye-bye.